There are currently only 16 forms that are available to be filed online if you are applying for U.S. immigration benefits. The first form is the AR-11, which is if you're an alien or a non-citizen and you're trying to change your address. That's the form to fill. You can file it online. The second form you can file, or the second application you can file online, is the G639. That's if you're trying to apply for FOIA, Freedom of Information online request, if you're trying to get records about yourself, about your A file from the US government or the USCIS. The third form you can file online is the I-90 if you're applying to replace your green card application to replace your permanent resident card. Now the fourth form is the I-130 petition for alien relative. This is the application you fill out if you're applying for your spouse, your mother, your brother, your sister, or your child, sons and daughters, the I-1. Now, the fifth form you can file online is the I-134A, which is the online request to be a supporter and declaration of financial support. That's for the news, Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, Venezuelan program. The sixth form is the I-539. That's the application to extend or change non-immigrant status. You can actually file this application online. Seventh form you can file online is the I-589, application for asylum and withholding of removal. Number 8 form that you are allowed to file directly online, the USCIS website, is the I-765, which is the application for employment authorization. If you're trying to get a work permit, you can file this application online. You do not need to submit a paper filing for this. Number 9 is the I-821, application for temporary protected status, the TPS. Number 10 is the I-821, consideration of deferred action for childhood arrivals, DACA. Then number 11 form you can file online without necessarily printing out hard copies and submitting to the USCIS by mail is the I-907. That's request for premium processing service. Now, number 12 is the N336. You can actually file this application online if you are requesting for a hearing on a decision in naturalization proceedings under Section 336 of the Immigration and Nationality Act. So if you have applied for naturalization N400 and you're requesting a rehearing, the N336 is available for you to file online. Number 13, of course, is the N400, application for citizenship or application for naturalization. You can actually file this online. You don't need to print out paper copies and mail physically, okay? Number 14 is the N565, which is the application for replacement, naturalization or citizenship documents. If you're trying to get a new citizenship document or naturalization document, then you file this online without having to print out papers of your application. Then number 15 is the N600. That's the application for certificate of citizenship. Then last but not least is the number 16 form, which is the N600K. That's also application for citizenship and issuance of certificates under Section 322. This is for people who actually reside outside the US, and the N600 is for people who are in the US. That's application for certificates of citizenship. Okay, so the first step to file your forms online is to create a USCIS online account. All the best. Share this video and follow me for more.